Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Google Calendar API using OAuth in mobile. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by setting up your Google Cloud project. Go to the Google Cloud Console website. Create a new project if you don't have one already. Enable the Google Calendar API for your project. Navigate to the Library section in the Cloud Console. Search for Google Calendar API. Click on the Google Calendar API and enable it. Next, set up the OAuth 2.0 consent screen. Go to the Credentials page in the Cloud Console. Click on Configure Consent Screen. Choose external or internal based on your app type. Provide the necessary information such as the application name and support email. Save the changes to your consent screen. Now create OAuth 2.0 credentials. In the Credentials section, click on Create Credentials. Select OAuth Client ID. Choose the application type, such as Android or iOS. For mobile applications, specify the package name and SHA-1 fingerprint. Once created, note your client ID and client secret. Integrate the Google Sign-In library into your mobile application. For Android, add the necessary dependencies to your build.gradle file. For iOS, configure the Google Sign-In SDK using CocoaPods. Initialize the Google Sign-In configuration in your app. Set up the appropriate scopes for accessing Google Calendar. Implement the sign-in functionality in your mobile app. Depending on your platform, use the respective methods to initiate the sign-in flow. Handle the sign-in result to retrieve the authorization code. Exchange the authorization code for an access token using Google's token endpoint. Store the access token securely in your application. Make authorized requests to the Google Calendar API using the access token. You can create, retrieve, update, or delete events in the user's calendar. Implement error handling for failed authentication and API requests. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.